Hi Capricorns, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, so this is the reading for the month of November 2020. Let's check it out what's going on. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to, you know um, if you want a same day reading for yourself, you can book. The charges are USD 200. Okay, and I'm also selling bracelets and anklets, activated and energized bracelets and anklets, for which you will get the results for sure very soon. Within 1 month you will get the results. So if you want to book your anklets and bracelets as well, you can contact me. I can show you the designs on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so via WhatsApp you can contact me so that I can share you the designs and details for all. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for all the karma donations. So yes, and guys, kindly help us with subscribing the channel. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. I am grateful to you. Okay, so Capricorns, what are you going through currently in the month of November? What are you going through currently in the month of November? What are you going through currently in the month of November? There is some conflicts happening near you, around you, and you are leaving the past behind and you are ready to move forward, moving away from all the conflicts, problems, confusions, tensions, disappointments. Okay, in the month of November, if you follow your present plan, what is likely to be the outcome of the situation? If you follow the present plan, you just need to be patient enough. There's a divine timing playing its role. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, which is a very good process. It's a very positive card. So if you go through the same thing, if you left the past behind and you are ready to move forward, you just need to be patient enough for the results. Okay, what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? It was like that, right? Okay, so something coming to an end for full circle. Health problems are getting coming to an end in November. If you are dealing with a karmic connection, karmic cycle in relationship is coming to an end, or you might be starting up a new job in the month of November. You might be getting a new offer related to job or business in the month of November. Okay, what do you need to change to improve the situation? What do you need to change to improve the situation? Well, you have to take major decisions of your life. You have to take an action in the month of November. If you are juggling and confused about to situation, to connections, to decisions, you do not have to do that. You have to take an action towards something or someone. Okay, and that can improve your current situation in the month of November. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. 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 They are not focusing themselves. They, you know, they are thinking that you are just, you're not focusing on yourself. You're focusing and thinking about everyone else, but you're not self-analyzing, self-loving and self-caring about yourself. Okay, you are not keeping yourself as a priority. That's the problem, and that's what they think about you. Okay, where this relationship might be going in the month of November. Where this relationship might be going in the month of November. Where this relationship might be going. Well, there has to be a certain decision made related to this connection. There might be few people in Capricorns, few percent of people, that is 5% of people who are in separation. Okay, so you guys might be into separation. Okay, you need to take a decision, major decisions about this relationship, Capricorns. Okay, so yeah, decision about reconciling either or detaching yourself, but I think you will be reconciling. Okay, who are in separation. Okay, and the others of you will be taking major decisions related to relationship. What are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward. Okay, what you should focus on from now. You need to be clear headed. Okay, your things, you do not have to be confused, you need to be clear. What are your hopes and fears? Your energies are all scattered, Capricorns. Okay, so yeah, that's the problem. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Major shakeup is about to happen. Either it happened in the past or it's about to happen, I don't know. It is hopes and fears, is major shakeup is about to happen. That is your hope also, that shakeup will change your life 360-degree. And this major shakeup will turn your life upside down. Okay, it might be positive, it might be negative, but mostly it will be positive. Okay, because after endings there are new beginnings on the horizon. Okay, so major shakeup is about to happen into your life in the month of November. What will be the likely outcome for you? Wow, so many cards are, I don't know, yaar. Your energy is very scattered, guys. So you need to take care of that. Okay, what is the likely outcome? You have to leave the past behind, you are ready to move on, you are ready to travel, you are ready to explore the world, you are ready to move on from your past. Okay, conflicts, connections, problems, okay, whatever is going on. Okay, so you are ready to leave the past behind and move forward. What is the spiritual guidance for you? Spiritual guidance for you. Well, you need to focus on yourself, self love and self care. And if there is any long term commitments you are thinking about, you need to make sure that you should not be disappointed. Spirits are there to help you out, they are there to protect you. Okay, if you are stagnant, if you don't know how you are supposed to move forward, you need to make sure that you will be moving forward soon, for sure. Okay, but you just do not have to be stagnant into your own positions, whatever you are dealing with. Okay, so yeah, see, a lot of cards are and when I'm shuffling, a lot of energies are scattered, that's what I feel. Okay, so yeah, so if you're comparing yourself from someone else, you should not do that. Okay, something is ending, something is coming into full circle. Few of the karmic connections, karmic relationships are ending for sure. If you are think that you are compromising a lot, you need not have to. Or if you think that you have compromised a lot, you need not have to. You have to you do not have to compare your personal individuality with someone else. Okay, so yeah, stop being disappointed. And I think you have done a lot of compromise, that's what I feel when it comes to a long term connection. Okay, so yeah, explore your own creativity, guys. Explore your own creativity, explore yourself more, explore your inner person. Okay, individuality, that's what I feel. Only then you can be happy with yourself. So yeah, what are the universal messages for you, Capricorns? What are the universal messages for you, Capricorns? Universal messages for you, Capricorns. I choose love no matter what. You will be choosing love no matter what, Capricorns. I find a deeper meaning when it's a half moon. When when it's a waning moon, you find a deeper meaning. When it's a half moon, you have a personal growth. You go through a personal growth. When you are when when there is a full moon, okay, then you feel a lot of unstable emotions during that retrograde season. Okay, I choose to learn through love. Okay, so yeah, these are the universal messages which are beautiful message. I feel you will be taking major decisions when it comes to love in the month of November. I don't know why. You'll be leaving something behind and you'll be moving forward with something new. That is for sure in the month of November. Your archangel for the month of November is Archangel Raphael. His message for you is, my consciousness is awake. I am aware. I feel the limitless nature of all the life. I believe in unlimited potentials and possibilities. I am creative and prosperous. I fully embrace extraordinary wealth. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. Wow. So your gemstone for the month of November is Moldavite. Moldavite. You can see that. Okay, so your message is, are you able to think beyond the ordinary? Is your heart open to love and inner peace? So your message is, awaken your consciousness and decide you want to see things from the greater perspective. Increased self-knowledge naturally allows for healing your heart, your relationships with others, and the relationship you'll have with yourself. You have unlimited potential. So I feel self-love and self-care should be your utmost priority in the month of November, and that will help you out. But I am telling you, something major is coming to an end in November. Something is coming to a full circle. Okay, either a relationship or your own stupid emotions are coming into the way, and that is ending. Okay, so your whole new perspective is about to change, and you have to release all the confusion, problems. Okay, so yeah, you will be leaving the past behind and you will be moving forward. Okay, so guys, if you like, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, kindly book, and details are given in the description box below. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.